In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download data from MetaTrader 5. If you need to save market data from MetaTrader 5 for analysis, record keeping, or use in another tool, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to export data directly from the MarketWatch window in just a few clicks. To begin, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you can see the MarketWatch panel. This is the area where your available trading symbols are listed, such as currency pairs, indices, commodities, or other instruments provided by your broker. Before exporting anything, take a moment to choose the correct symbol, because the file you download will be based on the instrument you select here. Go ahead and select the symbol you want from the MarketWatch list. Be careful to click the exact market you need, especially if there are similar names or multiple versions of the same instrument. Choosing the right symbol at this stage helps you avoid exporting the wrong data and having to repeat the process later. Once the symbol is selected, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options related to that instrument. If you don't see the expected menu, just make sure you clicked directly on the symbol name inside MarketWatch and not in an empty area of the panel. From the menu that appears, click on Export. This is the option that allows MetaTrader 5 to save the available data for that selected symbol into a file. After clicking Export, the platform may prompt you to choose where the file should be saved on your computer. Pick a location that's easy to remember, such as your desktop or a dedicated trading data folder, so you can quickly find the file afterward. That's all you need to do to download the data. Once the export is complete, you can open the save file and use it however you need, whether that's reviewing price history, importing it into a spreadsheet, or working with it in another analysis platform. As a quick tip, always double check the symbol before exporting and keep your files organized by naming or storing them clearly. This is especially helpful if you export data from multiple instruments on a regular basis. And that's how to download data from MetaTrader 5.